What up, y'all? It's your boy Spiff, and I'm back again with another video, man. Make sure you like, comment, share, and browse. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe, because it's free. You know, everybody like free, so if you like free, that means you like to subscribe. So they go hand in hand, you feel me? Do that for me. So I'm down here in Kennesaw, Georgia. As you can hear, it's all kind of copyright playing back there. So I'm trying to talk over it a little bit. But I'm at my boy HB Rolling. Look him up on Instagram, HB Rolling. He having a car show out here in Kennesaw, Georgia. Actually, I'm at, I think it's Town Center Mall out here in Cobb County. So that's where I'm at right now, man. I actually entered the car show myself, so we're gonna see how this gonna turn out. But yeah, man, I'm out here. Soon as some of this copyright start playing or it quiet down a little bit, I'm gonna get some of these cars for y'all. But right now, I can't do nothing. Otherwise, I just have to dub some over it. If it seems like I can't get no quiet time out here so I can film, I just go ahead and do it anyway and just dub over it, man. You know what I'm saying? You won't be able to hear me talk, but you'll be able to see. But I'm gonna hit y'all up as soon as I get back over there. All right, we got my boy HB Rolling right there with the dreads right there. He the one hosting this thing, man. I'm trying to see where I'm gonna park at. My little parking spot for the show. There he is, y'all. There
Hey, what's going on,
Go
man?
on, shout it out one time,
glad
man.
You came from Tennessee, man. Glad to see you out here. It's gonna be a dope show, a great day. Pull up. If you're watching this, it's probably on YouTube, so you're gonna get it late. So pull up. Happy to have everybody out here, man.
For sure. Glad to see you, man.
Hey, man, I'm gonna have you park right here. So we're gonna skip that space. We're gonna park right there.
All right, bet. Yes, sir. All right, man, I'm gonna hit y'all back once I get. All right, I done got a little time where I can film, man. Still a little copyright playing, but I can work a little something right now. The wind's blowing, but you know, the juice, boy. I put some tire letters on yesterday, boy. That changed the whole look of your car right there, boy. Juice. I got the juice. Yes, it is. Now, every day out of traffic film, man, that wind's blowing, man. Every day. Y'all see it, man. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. For sure. Get away from this copyright over here. All right, man. We got this 300 right here. I'm liking that color, though. I'm loving this color, man. That's hard right there, though. I like this. Man, we got this Ram right here, man. That red and that black. That red and black look good together too, though. See, we got on the hood right here. We got going on under the hood. Okay. Yes, sir. What we got over here? Oh, lackety lack. That thing hard, man. Ooh. That color scheme on it. I like that. Damn. Yes, sir. I'm gonna have to get something like that done to my car, man. Yep. Black Panther 300. That Black Panther 300 hard, boy. I like that color green. The color like that teal green. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Yes, sir. Come down this way. Venom thing. This is Austin. Yeah. I like it. That's hard, man. Let's see. What's that? Look at this Hulk comic book junk, man. Hulk is a scheme I see a lot of people run with. And it's crazy, you know what I'm saying, the different ideas people have in their head for it. I've yet to see one Hulk rap that was alike to somebody else. Everybody got their own thing, man. Yes, sir. I like that. Instagram right there. That's nice, boy, nice. Yes, sir, you got old 5.7 right here. Stormtrooper, Instagram.
I got retired and I didn't really rap on the hood. I had a guy do that because myself in the garage, I would
Get this sketch right here. They say nail god. It's somebody who do nails, I believe. I like that. My brother was telling me to do something like this, man. I just might do something like this. Our 50th anniversary jump. This green right here. Highway bullets, ATL. And that's exactly what they is around here on that highway, boy. Some bullets. Young Drill 901. You must be from Memphis. 901. If you from Memphis, brother, and you watching this, I'm from around the way myself. I'm from around the way myself. Yes, sir. Transformer thing, yellow, get up. Got a couple of trucks over here. That truck hard, man. Remember right there. Look at this Ford, man. Look at that 150. I like stuff like this, man. I don't even think this truck in the car show, but it ought to be in there. That's hard, bro. I like the grill on this thing. The grill in the hood. That's hard, bro. Ooh. Yes, sir. Look at this big boy. You got a big boy. Bodyguard. Clean under that boy. Get. Let me keep it moving. Copyright. I'm gonna come back this way. One thing I'm gonna have to do is after it get dark and all these cars turn their lights on, I'm gonna have to come back and get them all over again because these cars look totally different when them lights on. Why? Look at it right there. Yes, sir. Big stepper. Ooh, I hear you. King Mufasa. Yeah. Mufasa. Yeah. Ooh, look at the wrap on this truck. Look at the wrap on this bad boy right here. Some tires, man. Look how far you see that. Ooh. Man. Look at this, man. This is like, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 different colors. Like, oh, look at this. Man, look at. That's hard right there, boy. Yes, sir. Yep, yes, sir. Charge a scat pack right here. That's just nice, man. Follow me on Instagram, DJB392 for sure. Yes, sir. Check out the inside on this one. That's a nice little color scheme like that, man. Yeah. The bee under there, old bumblebee. Yes, sir. We roll over toward this way. Go right here. I figure. Lieutenant Supernova. Inside and yeah. Must be in the military or something. You got Dodge RT Avenger? No, well, that's what it say. It say RT, but it's a V6 up here, so you know what I'm saying? Captain America. Avenger jump. Look at hard, man. All right. Look at the rims on that thing, you know. All right, we got somebody from Chicago over here. I see you. Liking that green. Oh, okay. SpongeBob in there. That's hard, boy. Chicago on the side. Wonder what it say on the back. Instagram right there. Yes, sir. I like that stripe, man. Woo! That's hard.
Look at the back.
Carbon fiber little boy in the back.
Beautiful back, I gotta say.
Yes, sir. Let me go and try to shoot this video while they doing a little giveaway. Ain't no music going. But shit, I got my dog on. Need to be trying to take my tickets, man. What my tickets say? 471. Okay, mine in the 47, so they say 47. I'm running over there. There's a Camaro right here though. Ooh, ZL1. Same wrap as that truck. Exact same wrap. Life for riding. We're going around this way. Man, look at this SS. Oh my God. 6.2 liter. Oh, that thing sound good. Boy, that thing sound good. Yes, sir. Neat. That's what's up, man. I've been seeing a lot of Venom rap too. A lot of hard Venom rap, boy. Boy on the back. What they got going on in the trunk back here, boy? Okay. You're a float too. That Corvette, boy. Loving it black and yellow, boy.
014. Anybody that?
I be loving it black and yellow. Man, that's hard.
810. Last three numbers. I see 810. Come on, bro. Yeah. Well, let's check it. I think that's it. Let's see.
That's hard, man. Got a couple of old schools down here. Man, I was just telling my boy a minute ago, I love old school trucks. Cause them junks be growling, boy. I'm talking about straight growling. Old school GT350. Put the can in there. Oh, that ain't what that is.
Second time.
What do we have here? Old Nova. Old Nova, boy. Look at this thing on bags right here. Got this junk dropped down. Super low. What? Oh, 5.0.
682, the last three. Not the first three. Let's see what we got.
It's hard, boy. And I bet you that thing lasts a Coyote too. I like the Coyote. I don't know what it is about the Coyote, but I like it. It seems like people really like modding the Coyotes too. But you know what I'm saying? I ain't much of a forward guy, so you know.
Make sure, guys, please listen up. Remember, please.
Yes, sir. Oh, boy. Then we got this green joint right here. This color busted. Oh, this thing running. He at the track. He got a cage back there. He at the track. Yeah, he at the track, boy. Yeah. JLT Performance. Oh, yeah. You know what to get. JLT. Ooh, man, I bet this thing running. Man, I want to hear this thing, man. Bounce 302. Man, I want to hear this thing.
Motor's got a snail on it,
He said the motor got a snail in it.
Cocktails in the building, Kickback Legends,
Yeah,
Team Billy, Scatting Down,
Bubba Chevy thing.
Street Execs, Never Satisfied Bills,
Oh, Bubba Chevy. All right, let me try to hurry up and do something. Copyright playing. I'm right up under the copyright too, but look at the old school right here. You ain't gonna bust your knuckles too much working on it. Look at all this space in there. Ain't no space working on the cars nowadays. Yeah. Ooh. 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 Look at this right here, boy. I mean, golly, look at that right there. I gotta talk over copyright. Yes, sir. Oh, they done dropped it all the way down at the back. They done dropped it all the way down in the back. Ooh. Look what they done did on the inside, though. Oh, come on now. Come on now. Somebody took their time in here. Somebody took their time in here. Dang. That dang, boy. Ooh. Good. Yeah, boy. Man, that yellow butt. What we got going on back here? Man. Boy. Stop playing. Stop playing, man. Stop playing. Impala incident. They see you talking about under the hood, man. Oh, no. This ain't a Z06, is it? Oh, what we got here? 5.7. Nah, this is 5.7. Ooh, got the Corvette engine in there. What's this right here we got over here? What's that, gas off? Is that gas off? No, okay, windshield wiper fluid. Thought there might have been a little gas off now. Gas off? Gas off. Gas off? Gas off. Ooh, Cali style, boy. Cali style. That's Cali style right there, boy. Sure will. Man, it's pretty, man. That. Boy. Let me get down here. Oh, yes, sir. Kobe. Now, that's nice right there. I like that. I like that. Yes, sir. Huh. Don't play with it, boy. Don't play with it. See your old schools over here, man. The lights on that thing. Them lights look like they probably right around nowhere. Z28 Scoop. My mama had a Z28. It was T-top though. T-top. Rucci. Got the Ruchis on there. The black and blue. Look at the tires on here. So you already know what time it is. When you see them, yep. Yes, sir. Nice. Boy, I don't play with it, boy. Man, I really hope y'all enjoyed watching this video, and I appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. Until next time, be great, drive fast, and God bless America.